Welcome to MyChart, a great tool to help you stay connected with your neighborhood health center care team. Need a medication refill? The simplest way is to call your pharmacy directly. If this is an urgent refill need, please contact your provider's office by phone. If it's not urgent, or your pharmacy recommends that you contact your NHC provider, you can use MyChart to request your medication refill. Let's get started. On your MyChart home screen, click Medications from your shortcuts or choose from the drop-down menu. All of your current and past medications will be displayed here. To request a single medication refill, click Request Refill directly below the medication name. To select multiple medications, click the green Request Refills button in the top right. Confirm the boxes checked for each medication you need. If the medication you're requesting is not listed, select Other and type in the medication name and details. When all of the right medication selections have been made, click Next. Review your selections in this next window. Your preferred pharmacy will automatically be selected. To choose a different pharmacy, click the drop-down and select from other pharmacies you have used, or select Other and specify your preferred pharmacy with as much detail as possible. Then, click Next. A final review page will now appear before your request is submitted. If the information shown is correct, click Submit and the request will be sent directly to your care team. If you need to edit or update information, simply click the Back button. That's it. You will receive a MyChart message from your provider after they receive and review your request. MyChart is a great tool to help you stay connected with your neighborhood health center care team. Visit nhcoregon.org to learn more.